Right. Hello folks, welcome to the Silk Walk Studio. So if you're there on a live today, please let us know. It's been quite some time that we had hosted a live session like this because of the second wave, the pandemic, and things were not right. So we had given a break for about a month, but now we are back with a beautiful collection of saris. And going forward, I hope if I hope and pray that things get better, and we will come up with more such collections.
Crystal says hi.
Hi Crystal, welcome.
Kavita says love the sari you're wearing.
Thank you Kavita.
Anusha says good evening Joe.
Hi Anusha, welcome.
Priyanka says hi.
Hi Priyanka. So the collection today is in the range of 1000. Okay, but we have few sarees for 890. We have few sarees for 1350 also, and we have a few tissue sarees which are priced around 4000 rupees. So we'll see all of these collections very shortly. We'll just wait for 1 or 2 more minutes for people to join, and then we'll start with the live show.
Eva says hello.
Hi Eva.
Shruti says hello.
Hi Shruti.
Lavanya
welcome.
says hi.
Welcome. Hi Lavanya. So I hope you guys are all safe, and with regards to the shipping, shipping is 100 rupees extra, and with regards to the booking, all of these sarees are already uploaded on our website under the casual section. Okay, so you can just go have a look there and you can buy the sarees. So you have to visit www.thesilkwalkstudio.com and go to the casuals category, and you will find these collections.
Pooja says hi.
Hi Pooja.
Saumya says hi. Hope you're
Saumya.
doing well.
Yes, we are doing fine. Thank you. And the tissue sarees, it is uploaded under the pocket friendly silk collection because it is a tissue silk saree. We have uploaded in the pocket friendly category.
Amrita says love your sari.
Thank you Amrita. Thank you.
Sumati says hi, you
Hi.
look good.
Thank you Sumati. So yeah, as I was telling you, these saree, we have multiple multiple pieces of the sarees that I'm going to show you today. And except for the tissue silk sarees, all of these can be dispatched after 10 days. So please give us a time of 10 days for dispatch of these sarees in particular, because as we show you the sarees, we take orders because we have multiple pieces, but it has to come down to us. So just wait for 10 days before we dispatch. Yeah.
Shubha says, is the sari that you're wearing available?
Yes, it is available for sale. This saree I've taken for my mom, but we'll get you a similar piece.
Deepika says hi.
Hi Deepika.
Rohini says hello.
Hi Rohini. I think we'll start. Yeah. Okay. So the first set of sarees that I'm going to show you is all priced at 890. Okay.
Pooja says I bought saris from you and all look good.
Thank you Pooja. So 890 is the price, and we had already shown these sarees this type earlier, but because there were a lot of people asking for the same pattern, we had brought them again.
Vidya says hi and she says the voice is very low.
Probably in Facebook, right? Yeah, I'll try and be little bit louder, Vidya. I'm sorry.
Saumya says you're looking so gorgeous in this sari.
Thank you. So it's a beautiful floral red pattern sari. It has small lace borders on both sides. Okay, the borders, and it's very good for everyday regular casual wear. So that's the pallu. It comes with a blouse like this. The blouse also has borders. Okay, it comes with a blouse.
Madhuri
Price
says
of this is 890.
Madhuri says this is stunning, ma'am.
Thank you.
Vidya said sari super.
Thank you. Okay, but this one I think it's a new color. Last time we had not shown this piece. This is an excellent piece. It's a light sandal floral print.
Hemati says pretty.
Hi Hema, thank you. So as you can see, it's a floral print chiffon sari. Pallu, blouse.
Priyanka wants to know if the sari that you're wearing is for sale.
Yes, it is available for sale.
Madhuri says received purple color semi Banaras sari. Just awesome.
Purple. I don't remember. When did you get Madhuri? Recently or quite some time back? But thank you. Thank you for appreciating our.
Can you
The
tell the price
quality
of the
and-
sari?
This is priced at 890.
The one you are wearing?
I'll tell you. I'll come to that.
Okay.
I'll be showing those collections, so I'll tell the price that. So thank you, Madhuri. Anyways, I don't remember which sari you had bought. Probably I think only when I check the name on Instagram I'll get to remember. Yeah. So again, this is a light beige color floral print, and it comes with a border. That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
She said last month. She was
Last month,
posting.
okay. So that's what I was thinking, if somebody had bought it recently. Because semi Banaras, we don't have stock, recent stock. So I think this yellow sari does not need introduction because I had worn in one of my previous videos. Okay. So I don't think there is a point in opening it, but anyways. So this is the yellow sari. Okay, again floral print. Alright, and it comes with a blouse, a contrast blouse. So these are priced at 890. How do you buy them? Go to our website, check them under casual collection, and you can directly buy them. And I think I don't think we'll be able to take bookings on WhatsApp or something because the number of bookings of these sarees is going to be definitely more. So please directly head to the website. Do not wait for us, and you can do the booking.
Kalyani wants to know if she's too late. She just joined now.
Kalyani, I think you're not very late. We are just starting with the next set of collections, so you can join now.
Saran says gorgeous.
Thank you, Saran.
Shalini says, I just joined. Hi Joanna, good
Hi.
evening.
Hi,
What
good
material
evening.
saris are these?
Chiffon. Probably I think I should have removed all of these. No? Before the show. Okay, so this is pretty chiffon sarees, like all of the same quality like what I'm wearing, and they are priced at 1350.
Shubha says, have bought 2 saris in this collection. It's beautiful.
Yeah, the quality is amazing, and the quality of the sarees that I'm showing you now is it's very, very soft, easy drape.
Sneha wants to know if there are any mild colored saris in chiffon.
Coming. We had already shown few pastel shades. So this one is in a nice blue, okay, with a green. That's the pallu. Comes with a blouse like this.
Shirley
Small
says,
prints, small buttas.
Shirley says, looking elegant. Wow.
Thank you, Shali. So moving on to the next color. This color would be a favorite for many. It's a nice mustard yellow shade.
Saran says, I have bought 3 such saris last year.
Yeah. Saran Insta. Correct.
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful mustard shade. Mustard and a light yellow. So you can see the transition of color. Here it is light and there it is dark. Okay. And it has lines over the body. Wavy line pattern. That's the pallu.
Saran
That's the
says,
blouse.
wow, mustard.
Yeah, it's a beautiful shade. I know many will love this color.
She says she's on the way to the website. Anjali says hi.
Hi Anjali. Anjali Ganesh.
Anjali Ajay Kumar.
Ajay Kumar. Hi Anjali. Sorry guys, this is getting delayed because we haven't opened the sarees. So
Ashu says hello.
hi Ashu. So this is a beautiful shade of a green. It's a pastel shade with a beautiful border in blue, dark blue, and it again has this border on both sides. That's the pallu.
Madhuri says, I don't know who
That's the
are
blouse.
you, child, but love you so much. You are very nicely keeping patience and reading each and every comment. Love you.
Thank you. It's for Laura, right?
Yeah, thank you so much. Rohini says, yes, that's true. I'm also commenting the same as Madhuri.
Thank you guys. So again, this one is a very pretty shade. Last time we had got a similar shade, and there were a lot of orders for this saree. So we had bought the same color. So you can see it is like a yellow green shade with a green border on both sides, and it has small designs of paisley and some designer motifs. Okay, that's the pallu, the contrast. That's the blouse. 1350 is the price. Lightweight chiffon sarees.
Sarika says, sari color is nice.
Thank you.
Kalyani says, I have bought in this color but different pattern.
Yeah, I remember Kalyani had ordered some 4-5 sarees, right? That time. I remember that.
Madhuri says, can I book in WhatsApp? This color is wow.
Yeah, Madhuri, please head to the website. We have already done all the arrangements to book on the website, so you can directly go to the website and do the booking. If you have a problem, definitely ping us on WhatsApp, we'll help you out. So these are beautiful designer chiffon sarees with a border, okay, very similar to what I'm wearing, and they have two different shades. This is light blue, that's dark blue, that's the pallu, and it comes with a blouse like this, a printed designer blouse.
Kavya says hi.
Hi Kavya. Very,
Kalyani
very
says
light in
4
weight.
sarees, ma'am.
Huh?
Kalyani says 4 sarees.
Yeah, Kalyani, I remember that. So this one is very similar to what I'm wearing in a green shade.
Deepa says you compliment every sari, really nice.
Thank you.
Kalyani-
Actually, some sarees when I wear for the discount sale and all, I don't. I see which saree is like some saree would look good when you drape. Some sarees definitely need some attention when draping. Okay, so I select such sarees and wear, because even though we show it on video, even though we take some nice photographs and post, some sarees lack that attention unless it is draped. So yeah, so this is a beautiful green shade with a nice again dark border, green border. That's the pallu.
Kalyani says I'm thinking to buy more because my marriage is in this
That's
month.
the blouse. Oh wow, Kalyani, congratulations. next one is so pretty.
Hema says hi.
Hi Hema. So why this is pretty, I'll tell you. See, this is a partly wear, okay? So it has a maroon body like this, and it comes with a partly pallu like this. The pleat section is going to be like this.
Can
A
you repeat
pastel
the
shade.
price?
1350 is the price of whatever I have shown you.
Kalyani says thank you, ma'am.
See, this is how the sari is going to look. Thank you, Kalyani. My best wishes to you and your family.
Saran says that's
the
true.
pallu.
That's why I always prefer when you explain them.
Yeah. Thank you, Saran.
Vina says nice collection.
Thank you. And the last in this type of sari, it's an orange one, very pretty one.
Manu says hi.
Hi, Manu.
Kavya says nice saris.
Thank you. Okay, so this one is in an orange shade. I think many of you all would like this. Okay, 2 shades of orange. Okay. So this is how it is
Gayatri
going to look.
says any pastel colors.
Yeah, we had shown a lot of pastel shades. So this is how the sari is. Okay, golds with it has like gold prints all over, and it comes with the same color. Oh, sorry, it comes with a pink color, pinkish red sort of a blouse. Okay.
Kritika says hi.
Hi, Kritika.
What is the price of the sari?
Yeah, all of the saris that we had shown you till now, it is all priced at 1350. Okay, the saris that I'll be showing now, it's tissue silk sari, and they're priced at 3900. Okay, so let's see them now. The first one is a copper color, plain tissue silk saris. 3900 is the price, and you can find them in the pocket friendly collection on the website. The saris are transparent. Okay, they're semi transparent.
Ashwini says hi, nice
Hi.
color.
Thank you. That's the pallu.
Oh, actually it's Bhavani.
Oh, that's okay. That's the blouse. It comes with a running blouse. Okay. Tissue silk, priced at 3900. Very soft, lightweight. But when you're pleating up, it's not going to be see-through. And when you're wearing a same color blouse, it's not going to be see-through. So, beautiful collection. This is in silver. Pallu. It comes with a running blouse. So I think there was a picture of one of my client called Chaitrali, and she was wearing a gold sari, a tissue sari. That is a similar one, but this is how it. Now many were asking for that sari, so we have brought this collection in 3 different colors. So if you're interested, then you can go ahead and purchase. If you're leaving it free, then it is going to be transparent, but if you're okay, then it's well and good. If you're going to pin it up, it is not going to look transparent. Okay, that's the pallu, that's the blouse. Okay, 3900 is the price.
Is the shine on the tissue sari real?
Yes.
Pooja says I bought this grey, looks like the same.
Huh. Thank you. Thank you, Pooja. Any questions? Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll tell you the booking procedure once again. Please directly head to our website www.thesilkworkstudio.com and check them under the casual section. Okay, we have already posted them under the casual section. Ready pieces will be shipped tomorrow, but if you are ordering the second, third piece and all that, please allow us a time of 10 days to do the dispatch. Alright?
Chaitrali says I have gold and the shine is super.
Yeah, Good that she joined. Thank you, Chaitrali. So thank you so much, guys, for joining today's live. Take care and stay safe. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Jenny says you look beautiful, ma'am, just like the sari collection.
Thank you.
Is tissue sari handloom?
Yes, it is handloom.
Shubha says yes, booked.
Thank you, Shubha.
Rohini says thank you, great and interacting live.
Thank you, thank you. So in future, probably we will come up with more live sessions. But as all of you know, and even our business was also dull. We did not have a lot of saris to show you all, and everything was on low key. So we also stayed quiet for about a month. But I think in future we will have, depending on the sales and the movement and all that, we will have more collection and more live sessions. Well, thank you so much, guys. See you. Bye bye.